In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account from Infinityfree. To fully remove your Infinityfree profile, the important thing to understand is that you cannot delete the main client profile while any hosting accounts are still active. So the process happens in two parts. First, you need to deactivate every hosting account connected to your profile. After that, once those accounts are fully removed from the system, you can delete the client profile itself. Start by signing in to the Infinityfree client area. Once you're logged in, go to the account section and open the hosting account you want to delete. On that account page, scroll down through the sidebar until you find account settings. Open that area, then scroll further until you reach the deactivate account section. There, click the deactivate button. After that, confirm the request and wait for the deactivation process to finish. This usually takes around 10 minutes. If you have more than one hosting account, you'll need to repeat the same process for each one. This part is essential because if even one hosting account is still active, Infinityfree will not allow you to delete the main profile. Once all hosting accounts have been deactivated, the next step requires some patience. Even though the accounts are deactivated, they may remain in the deletion queue for a while. This can take anywhere from 20 to 60 days, so don't be surprised if the profile deletion option isn't available right away. You need to wait until those hosting accounts are completely removed from the system. After the hosting accounts are gone, go to the main menu and open Profile. From there, click Edit Profile. On the Profile editing page, scroll down until you find the Delete Profile section. This is the option that removes your Infinityfree client profile permanently. When you're ready, enter your current password in the required field and click Delete Profile. Make sure you do this only when you're certain because this action is permanent. Once submitted, your profile data will be erased within 48 hours. A good tip here is to double check that you no longer need any files, settings, or account related information before you begin, since deleting both the hosting accounts and the profile means you won't be able to recover that data later. That's the complete process to delete your account from Infinityfree. Deactivate all hosting accounts, wait for them to be fully removed, then delete your client profile from the profile settings.